Okay, well, we're at my aunt and uncle's place here up in Maine on their farm. Really beautiful place here, and we've been parked here for a little bit. We had some rain the last couple days and the sun is out this morning, so we're going to get out and take a walk around the property here, go down to the pond and get some sunshine on us, and yeah, see what the day brings us. All right, we are going for a little walk here. That is the house. My uncle built that quite a few years ago. It was caved in when they got here, and they kind of pushed it into the foundation and burnt it and scrapped some of the wood, and over the years he's built that up on this beautiful hillside, which they have put a ton of work into. This was all trees, old pasture that had been overtaken by trees, so they had to come in and re-clear it. And my Aunt Kathy keeps a nice garden here, chicken coop over here, and the old shed in the distance there is actually the dwelling they first lived in for quite a few years. My cousin, their first daughter, was born in that little shack. And he built a big barn over here, a little utility shed. This is the horse pasture here, and then they've got a beef cattle in the other pasture. And this road leads right down to a pond that's right on their property, with a couple cabins my uncle recently built that they now are renting out for Airbnb. They're really beautiful. Might be able to get a glimpse at those. We helped in the garden the other day doing some mulching around the beds. It's just been a really nice, relaxing stay here. It's a really beautiful, peaceful place. Here comes Moxie. He's a farm dog, all right. We tricked you. We're actually going this way, buddy.
We just wanted you to run after us. Joke's on you, buddy.
You having fun, Moxie? Is this your turf?
Such a tough life. Poor guy.
This is generally a pretty quiet pond. There are a few other camps around it, but they're more seasonal use. They've got a rowboat also. Fishing's pretty good here. There's quite a few bass. Nice little beach area to get in and go for a swim. I swam the other day. The water is nice and warm. Not cool, but swimmable, considering it was solid ice not too long ago. Beautiful spot.
It's so cute.
Alright, well, I'm getting ready to leave van life behind for about 2 months. I'm going to be flying to Alaska to work my next seasonal job. I'm going to meet Kelly up there. She's actually already up there. She flew up a little early to visit a cousin that's up there. So we're going to reconvene and start this job in just about a day and a half. So I am getting my van situated here. I'm going to be parking it on my family's property here in Maine. Got a nice little spot tucked under the trees, so I'm getting prepped. I'm pretty much all packed, just getting some final things together. And I am going to be covering the solar panels. I have my batteries topped off. I'm actually able to charge in the shade. I've got enough solar to where just the ambient light is topping off my batteries. So I'm going to disconnect everything. I've got my disconnect switches that I can just easily turn everything off. I'm going to be covering the solar panels with a sheet of cardboard, and then over the top of that with a tarp. I am under some good sized oak trees as well as a pine tree, so it drops pitch and acorns, so I want to have those solar panels protected. So I'm just about there. I've got some final packing to do. I'm going to go in, take a shower, get ready. My folks are actually back here in Maine visiting family, so they're going to pick me up here in a couple hours, take me down to the airport. I've got a long travel day ahead of me. I'm going to be flying out at 3 p.m. and arriving at my destination in Kenai, Alaska the following tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. So it's going to be a big full day of travel. So I'm going to be pretty whipped, but I'm going to try to do some updates. Cell service is going to be pretty spotty where I'm working. Very limited internet, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to upload any videos, but I'll do my best. I usually do what I can. I'll definitely be filming, so if I can't upload there, I'll be uploading as soon as I'm done with the job. So, I'm getting ready. Adventure continues. Okay, so we got the solar panels all covered up. Got a sheet of cardboard underneath each of these tarps. These are our big oak trees here. Hopefully no branches fall. Alright, this is it. Time to get it closed up. Alright, goodbye VanLife. Time to go make some money in Alaska. Away we go. Well, here we are at the cottage. This is my grandfather's old place he built quite a while back. Since passed, and my uncle is now living here. It's a beautiful spot. Sun is coming up, warming things up. Goodbye, lake. Alright, we made it to Anchorage, Alaska. It is about 1 a.m. Anchorage time. So I've got about a 5.5 hour layover here. We'll be flying from Anchorage, Alaska to Kenai, Alaska at 6 a.m. So I'm going to try to get this video finished up and uploaded because I believe this is going to be the last internet cell service I'm going to have for the whole 2 months. I may get surprised and find some service somewhere and be able to upload, but I'm guessing not. So I just want to thank you guys for following along this year. This has been quite an adventure so far. And yeah, the job is going to be 2 months, so I'm guessing there's going to be some downtime on this channel. Just wanted to thank you guys for following along and all of your positive support all along. And I look forward to doing some updates here. In the meantime, I hope you guys are well and do well, and see you whenever I see you. Take care, guys. Peace.